We're here today at Sherry Chrysler in Piqua, Ohio. I've got a 2018 Ram ProMaster cargo van. This is 159-inch with a high roof. Stock number is 28327T. This is equipped with a 3.6 V6 Pentastar engine, 6-speed automatic transmission. This is a front wheel drive vehicle. This is a cargo van that we put a few extras on. It is a 3500. Got a sliding door on the side. We'll get to the interior of that here shortly. Got two doors in the back that open all the way up, all the way completely back this way, so that you got plenty of room to put your cargo in here. We do have this equipped with the rear backup camera, trailer tow hitch with a 7 and 4-pin connector, and rear park assist. Once again, both doors do open up. Being that this is a front wheel drive, you've got a lower floor because there's no drive train axle. The axle that goes back to the rear wheels, so you've got a flat floor with no hump, very low to the ground, easy to step up into. Once inside, I'm a little over 6 foot tall, so I've got plenty of headroom. Got plenty of places where you can connect shelving, any kind of upfit that you can. Chrysler also offers an upfit for businesses on this type of vehicle, $1,000. If you put shelving or a bulkhead in it of any kind, we can, as long as you're a business, we can get Chrysler to get us $1,000 rebate on this. It does have two front bucket seats. Like I said, it's an automatic transmission. We've got it equipped with heated driver's seat, heated passenger seat, a rear window defroster. We got power folding mirrors. Those are heated. You got some auxiliary switches that we put in here, and you know, if you're going to add anything to it, it's easy to connect as an upfit. The radio is a Uconnect 3 with nav, so it's a 5-inch display, so it has the navigation as well as Sirius satellite, or Uconnect, I'm sorry, Uconnect radio, and you do have Sirius satellite radio also. Cruise control, storage area up above the seats, side sliding door, easy to put a pallet if you're hauling pallets. Depends on what type of cargo that you're using. Step back outside here. Like I said, easy up and down step. Again, this is a Ram ProMaster 3500. Does have the steel wheels. One thing about a ProMaster, you'll see different panels around it. So if there is any kind of a front end collision of any kind, the panels can be replaced without. If you got a dent in the bumper, let's say up here, you know, you can replace that panel. The grill and so forth, they're all separate. Once again, stock number 28327T, a 2018 Ram ProMaster cargo van, 159-inch wheelbase, and it is a 3500 vehicle. For more information on this vehicle or other commercial vehicles we have here at Sherry Chrysler, give Steve a call at 800-678-4188.